Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. Butterfly blade is the best table tennis blade on the market. Many professional players play the butterfly table tennis racket. How to identify fake Timo Boll Spirit? Real versus fake Timo Boll Spirit. Timo Boll Spirit is also the target to be fake in the Chinese market. Let's take a look at an example of a fake Timo Boll Spirit. Look at the serial number. It is printed unevenly. The fork is not equal. Bad quality serial number printed is the first sign of a fake product. The fake Timo Boll Spirit's blade is the one on the top. The bottom is the real one. As for viscaria, the handle of the fake one is darker, with the color blue-violet. So fake butterfly blades have, in general, darker color due to the cheap dyeing process. Let's take a closer look at the blade's composition. Timo Boll Spirit China clone is the fake blade. The ALC layer is thicker and it goes outside of the core layer. The silver tag has bad quality with unpolished texture. The GGGAA is printed off-center. Fake Timo Boll Spirit made in China. This is the real Timo Boll Spirit made in Japan. The ALC layer is thinner and has a discontinued pattern. The blue layer doesn't go outside of the blade. The silver tag is matte, higher quality material. Real Timo Boll Spirit product made in Japan. Let's compare the handle of the real Timo Boll Spirit on the right and the fake one on the left. The fake one has a washed silver tag material. The butterfly is also thicker on the fake one. Let's take a closer look side by side of the blade composition. The real butterfly GBS is on the left. The fake one is on the right. The real Timo Boll Spirit has the ALC carbon layer regularly, seen as a blue dash, while the fake one has a larger ALC layer. The core thickness of the fake one is also thinner, and the good pour direction is random. The fake Timo Boll Spirit has a darker, bluish handle. The handle size is also smaller than the real one. The print acrylate carbon of the fake Timo Boll Spirit is blurred, unclear. They are clearly not rinking shake there in China. They are clearly not rinking shake there in China. Is my Timo Boll Spirit real? A player asked me, "Hello, my name is Catalin. I'm a big YouTuber from Romania and also a table tennis player. I want to know if this blade is fake or 100% because it looks too good for 20-25 years. Thank you so much. Waiting for your opinion."
My answer: by looking at the handle and the quality of the koto layer, I think that it could be the real Timo Boll Spirit. Your blade is the old version with the bronze butterfly tag. The ALC carbon layer has a good quality too, so I think it could be real product. Best way is to check the serial number. Please search how to identify fake butterfly product PingSunday on Google, and read my guide on my blog, pingsunday.com. See you in the next video.